Okay, so one of the many tools that Promt Parts has in their arsenal, one of the tools and shop supplies, is the drive install tool. This allows you to fit any sort of stern drive in it, Volvo Penta, Mercruiser, Yanmar. You can adjust for the width of the drive, adjust for any angles you need to make, side to side, fore and aft, and then you can lift it up to the right height to install it into the transom assembly of the boat. Saves all that heavy lifting. Pretty easy on an Alpha drive, they're quite light, but you get into the bigger Volvo DPH drives in the Mercruiser Bravo range, they're quite heavy. This tool makes it really quick, really simple, really easy. So go to promptparts.co.nz, tools and shop supplies.